Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, in today's video, this is a Prague haul slash unboxing for you guys. This is the two items that I got in Prague. This from Goyard and Longchamp. It's really nice city that I visited. It's beautiful. The favorite cities that I love about Prague and Milan, to be honest with you. Prague is so many things to go and close with everything, even the store and the shop. So here it is, the two items over here. This two item, and I don't know, for some reason when we were in Vienna, I said I want to stop in Longchamp, but we didn't stop because the store is almost closed, and we know we want to take a rest because the day we arrived, we went to right away on the city square, and so I'll just look around a few places that I want to visit and see. So this one is actually seeing this one everywhere, so I might get it in a store. So the items that I got in there is this one over here. I have been wanting this so much, and I finally got this one in there. It's so beautiful, and see, as you can see, it's not been used yet. And actually I saw this one in England. They have a new one that it has like a compartment outside. So this one is made in France, and so I wanted to use this actually when I was traveling, but I need to find something that is not coming out when I'm due. And this one actually perfect for like shopping something. You just put it up, but I get the small one instead of bigger one. I don't care so much of the big, and it's nice. They have handle. I wish I get the bigger one instead, but this is a perfect size for me, to be honest with you. And I wanted more as well. There's a small one that you can attach a strap, but they don't have that. I mean, I don't, to be honest with you guys, I just don't want to get something that I don't wear or use often. So yeah, this is like very open like that, and I'm glad that I get this one over there. And it's nice to shop actually in Europe because you got like so many choices, and you can have away from the tags as well. So that's the one, and it's very nice. It's so cute. So the next items is this right here, my second item from Goyard. Actually, I'm not planning to get this one, but when I saw it, I was wanting the Louis. I'm wanting a tote bag that I can travel with a zipper, to be honest with you. You know, the Neverfull doesn't have that one. The problem with the Neverfull doesn't have a zipper. I like the mini one. The person who helped me, he showed me this small one, the PM size, and the other one is more like an oval. For some reason, every time I wear that and use it, and I also myself like, no, this is not gonna work. And every time I see someone wearing same as my height and skinny, I mean my height and the same as petite as me, it's like, oh, that looks good on her. I was thinking like I'm getting that, but if I try to myself, it's really hard to get something that you're not really sure. So I decided this items over here, and maybe I will, next time I come back, I will grab this the Louis one, or the other one with, because it has zipper. For now, I'm just get this small baby because I know I can use this a lot, so much. And this bad boy over here, I use this a lot already, and yeah, and everybody love, and I'm glad that I picked the color. I wish I did get another one in different color, like the red one. The first time he showed me is the red. I try it, but I'm not sure if I had the red bag. Yes, I do. My garden party, just like similar that color, but that one is also cute. But this color sold me out. This green color over here, This is one of their famous, actually. I'm not sure what is it. See, I've been using this a lot already. So I've just, this bag, I mean, I use this a lot. And even though it's small, I've just put the phone over here. And this is what comes with this. It's this one over here. I need to keep this. And there, I don't know, what is this? Care book, I guess. Let me put this one over here. I just want to put this one. This is called, okay, this is a calfskin leather made in France, so which is nice. You can see over here. I just put this one in here. I'm not sure, maybe this is authenticity card. I'm not sure. And what else over here? And I need to find the receipt for this, actually. This is the strap, guys. See the strap, it's really thin. And this is what it looks like inside. The materials of interior, it's more like a fabric. So that's one. So they have one, and they have a small pocket over here. 1, 2, then my bad. So I use that one to put like my cards, and I always put the cash over here in the back so nobody see. And I was thinking I'm not gonna remove it, just leave it like this one. And it says in here's a name of zippers, Goyard. Let me see the other side. The other side's nothing. I don't know what is that. It's like a mark or the dirt or something. Yeah, just like maybe from sticking. So I'll just leave it this one over here so it won't protect the hardware. So that's pretty much that. 1, 2, 3 in the middle, and they have another one. It's 4. I use this one in the phone in the back, and it's very soft. It's perfect for travel, actually. And as you know, people don't miss over here, if you're watching my video, I love mini bags so much. I don't have bigger bags. I do have, but to be honest with you guys, I don't use more often. My hair bag has been sitting in my closet. Even my garden party, for some reason, I don't know why, I'm not using it, because I feel like for me, carrying a big bag, it's not suit me. Small bags actually is work for me. So I'm gonna attach this strap in here now. Yeah, I wish when I wearing this in UK so much, and I said to myself, oh, I wish I get another color of this, because I can get this one over here, but the price itself, I was thinking, is better in Europe, because it's because of a tax refund. This is all you save anyway. It's like, let's say 100, something like that, or 200 to depends how much you spend with, actually. So that's what I did, is attach all together. And yeah, just like that. It's not really straight, something like that, because I tried to make it even in this, but for some reason, there you go, it's even now. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. It's so cute. And I'm also make another video of this, what fits of this bad boy over here. And I love they have a, you know, closures over here. This one, I just leave it like this. I don't, it's not, sometimes that's not the button. If I'm in like really a lot of public people, I'll do that. But normally if I choose like a quick errands, if I just go in the town for quick, I just open it, and just so it's easy for me to access. Really cute, guys. Now I'm confused which bag that I'm gonna wear it today, whether this or the other one. So yeah, it's so cute. It's a silver hardware material, and so yeah. And this one over here is a gold hardware. And you know, as you can, you know me, I told myself I've only buy one bag a year, but now I need to stop. I need to get my bag that I want, so at least I need to had my, you know, my wish list bag, which is the Kili 25 or Kili, mini Kili, then I'll be good with it. But for now, I'm just, maybe I will not getting this Christmas. Hopefully, I will not get buy anything until next year, guys, because I got plenty already. I've been buying a lot this year. So I try to carry it back until next year. So anyhow, that's it for my that's it for my unboxing video, guys. Is this two cute little bag in here from Goyard and Longchamp. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.